Hello again and welcome back to Mr. D's English Language Learners class. Today we are learning some valuable science terms that will help us in our other classes. So today we are learning about the water cycle. Al-Durra al-Miyah, Ciclo del Agua, the water cycle. This is on page 154 in your book. It's lesson 58, water cycle. Okay, let's begin. As usual, with our new words, we have water cycle, Durat al-Miyah, evaporation, tabakhur, or tabakhura. So here's the four stages of our water cycle. We have evaporation. How many syllables do you hear? Yes, 4 syllables. We can see them here. Evaporation. Oh, big word. Evaporation. Tabakhra. Next, condensation. Tarkiz al-ma. Tarkiz. Condensation. Condensation. How many syllables? 4 this time. Evaporation has 5. Condensation, 4. Precipitation, tarasab. Precipitation. Precipitation. So precipitation is just rain and snow, basically. Matar wa thalj. That's it. Collection, jamma. Collection. Collection. This is when water collects. الماء يجمع في puddles maybe. برد. Okay, so one more time we have evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. We notice the pattern here, right? At the end of all these words, في نهاية كل الكلمات كبيرة هنا, we have T-I-O-N. And the way this sounds in English when we say this is shun. Shun. This is a very common suffix you'll find in English at the end of more scientific words that you'll see. And I guess academic words in general. So it's very, very important that we practice this. Okay. Por, abra is through. Through. For example, you will learn English through going to class and learning on YouTube or Duolingo or speaking English with your teachers or your friends in your neighborhood. Principal, raisi, main. Main. Etapas, marahil, stages. Stages. Marahil. So here are our 4 stages of the water cycle. First stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage, right? And these stages, repetir or yukarrar, they repeat. They repeat like a cycle. Repeat. Yukarrar, yukarrar. Repeat. Vapor, bukhar is vapor. Vapor. Like when you have a cup of chai, maybe, right? And you see the vapor, bukhar. That's water vapor. Nubes, ghayum is clouds. Clouds. Clouds are also water vapor, but they are up in the sky, في السماء. Next, evento, hadith, event. Event. Suelo, ard, ground. Ground. Se convierte en, تحول إلى, turns into. Turns into. For example, if we take water and freeze it, we put it maybe outside in winter, then the water turns into ice. الثلج تحول إلى, الماء تحول إلى الثلج. So the water turns into ice. Or for this example, water vapor, let's say water vapor on the ground rises up and turns into clouds. And then it goes through condensation and it turns into precipitation. So it turns into. Subir, ترتفع, is rise. The vapor rises. It rises from the ground into the sky. It becomes clouds. Rocio, ندى, dew. This is the water that forms on plants and windows in the morning. So هذا الماء الذي يشكل على ورق نباتات في الصباح مثلا. So that's the dew. And the dew is from condensation of water, right? That's from the condensation of water in the air. It turns from vapor into water droplets. Cielo, sama, is sky. Clouds are just water vapor in the sky. Kayer or sayer, تسقط is fall. Oh, my ruler fell. Fall في المضارع في الماضي fell. Let's write that right now. So في الماضي F-E-L-L. Fell. I can say yesterday rain fell from the sky, right? Yesterday سقط المطر. Rain fell from the sky. Gotas de lluvia, قطرات المطر, is raindrops. Raindrops fell from the sky yesterday. Charcos, البرك, puddles. Puddles happens when raindrops fall from the sky and they go on the street, or رصيف ممكن, and then they collect, يجمع, a collection of water into the برك صغيرة. Okay, one more time from the beginning. Water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection, through, main, stages. So here's our 4 stages of the water cycle. Repeat, vapor, clouds, event, ground, turns into, rise, dew, sky, form, fall, past tense, fell, raindrops, puddles. All right, let's look at the page here together and we're going to read, right? We see in the picture, first we have here, it says, evaporation. Then we have the condensation in the clouds, and then the rain falls as precipitation, the rain. And then here we have collection. We have a puddle here. He's riding his bike through the puddle. And this is the cycle. Here's our 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stages. So أربع مراحل. 4 stages of the water cycle. Okay, let's read number 1. We're going to read number 1 through 20 together. Ready? Try to read along and listen. Good? Number 1. A cycle is a set of events that repeat. So الدورة هو المجموعة الحدث الذي يكرر. It's a set of events that repeat. 2. Earth's water goes through a cycle. 3. The water cycle has 4 main stages. 4. The first stage is evaporation. 5. Condensation is the second stage. 6. The third stage is precipitation. 7. The last stage is collection. 8. The sun turns water into vapor. 9. Condensation happens in clouds. 10. The cycle repeats itself. The cycle يكرر بنفسه itself. 11. Water turns into a vapor. 12. Vapor rises into the air. 13. Dew forms on plants and grass at night. 14. The vapor forms clouds in the sky. البخار بشكل الغيوم في السماء, right? It forms clouds in the sky. 15. Drops of rain form in the clouds. This is condensation. 16. Water falls to the earth as rain or snow. 17. The water falls to the ground as raindrops. 18. Snowflakes are made of water. 19. The ground takes in water. And 20. Water collects in puddles on the ground. Here's a puddle right here. Mud puddle. Okay, so those are our new words, our new sentences about the water cycle. And so go on and do this work on the next page, on page 155. And write those answers in your notebook. You can take a picture and send those to me, no problem. And also, I've attached the extra practice worksheet to your assignment in Teams. Okay? So, we will see each other later today. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.